Check out our newest update. We now have bulk company actions. You can now efficiently manage company contacts by performing bulk additions, removals, and edits, streamlining your operations. Let's go ahead and talk about those benefits. First, this is a huge time saver. Save valuable time by performing bulk actions such as adding, removing, or editing contacts within your companies. It's going to enhance your organization. You're going to be able to maintain a well-organized CRM database now because of this business bulk actions update. You're also going to be able to seamlessly manage your companies. Simplify company-level operations by efficiently managing bulk contact associations. Now, let's go ahead and talk about those practical uses. Consider that your business is using the CRM to manage your client relationships. Now, with bulk actions for company contacts, you can quickly add new clients to their respective company profiles, remove outdated contacts, and you can edit contact details, ensuring accurate, up-to-date client information for effective campaign targeting and communication. Let me go ahead and show you exactly where this is. So first, let's go to Contacts, and then go ahead in the upper navigation and click on Smart Lists. From there, you're going to see and select the new company icon. It looks a little like a couple buildings put together. Once you go ahead and select that and you add those people that you want to go ahead and add in, you're going to select this action. You're going to add and edit inside of those contacts, and then you're going to edit the action name. You're going to say what specifically you're doing. You're going to select the company, and then you're going to go ahead and confirm. It's that easy. Now, as with all of our bulk actions, you can go to the Bulk Actions tab in the upper navigation of the Contacts area of the CRM, and you can watch what has happened and check the status of that bulk action. Bulk actions for company contacts is going to empower your business to efficiently manage your contact database, saving time and enhancing organization. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.